Hi, here's Mark and Eva. We're here in beautiful Romania, and we're on our way from Bran Castle to Brasov, and just admiring the gorgeous farms that are here. The Carpathian Mountains are behind, and they grow wheat and corn and potatoes and lots of cows and dairy. And it really is just beautiful, very peaceful. We just had a mini barbecue lunch of pork pastrami. No, I've never had pork pastrami before. I had beef pastrami last night. I had pork pastrami for lunch with some fried potatoes and some cabbage, and it was delicious. Just delicious, and that's a very typical meal here. We've got some chemical plants. I was really looking for some more farmland. Let's see. Any more farms coming up, or is it industrial now?
Here we have a few factories.
There's a few factories here.
We have in a Scheffler, they do bearings.
So you get to see how real people live here in Romania. It's not all big cities, and it's not all castles. It's factories as well. So come with us, Eva and Mark. Oh yeah, this Titan Machinery, where we take you all over Romania, Europe, US, and the world to see everything unique, different.
Here they do bearings.
Oh, sorry, say it again?
They do bearings here on the right.
Blueberries?
No, bearings.
Bearings. See, I'm getting all excited. Blueberries. No, not blueberry. Bearings. Yep, definitely industrial. Okay.
Here we have a helicopters factory.
Oh, a helicopter factory.
Airbus is here, yes. A bit further behind of the little town.
Us, Eva and Mark, and we'll make this. Look at the mountains. Look how gorgeous this is. And we'll make this vacation tree. Not necessarily the helicopter factory, but just coming to Romania, coming to Eastern Europe. Real people. What's coming up ahead? What kind of factory is that coming up ahead?
Where?
Right, just
there is not a factory. There are just old blocks. Factories are here on the left. This one here, Queen. Here they do dashboards and steering wheel.
Okay.
The green one make timber frame, and the blue one made the seat belts for all over the cars.
Oh wow. Okay. So all different.
Most of them are from Germany.
Just
here 7 years ago.
Okay. Well, that's interesting.